What is the meaning of it? Note down. Marketing mix. First is product, then price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, physical evidence, and another two P's more: public-private partnership, or you can say that is partnership.
सर एक
And
वो
yes, the last one is
प्रोक्सिमिटी भी होता है ना सर?
Panwala. The basically these are 9 P's which are being considered. If I convey one by one, I will elaborate and discuss. You know very well, product is bundle of utility, price, the exchange value of product. In a simple manner, if you are willing to understand what are these, why these are, the terms are being used. If I convey in this regard, then you can understand better. Here is the first point I put on this definition is there. Bundle of utility. Sometimes it is the word used utilities. Now the second one is price. Price mean to say exchange value of product. Please note down, because of these are the basic concept we must try to understand. Here is bundle of utilities. Third one is the place, mean to say where the product will be delivered. Will be delivered. That is known as place. It is what? Promotion, awareness about product. कि आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है उसके बारे में आप लोगों को कैसे बताएंगे. People. Generally, these 4 P's are being considered for marketing mix. And other 3 P's are there. These are related to service mix. Service mix. Because of at the time of the delivery of the product, both the parties are not to be required. But in case of the services, both parties we must. Example, if you are traveling from one place to another, if a bus is there and driver is there and travelers are there, both parties, party 1, party 2, both must be present. If only driver and bus is available, then we are not able to deliver our services in the absence of the travelers. If travelers are present and the driver is not present at that moment, then again we cannot deliver our service. Therefore, in case of the service marketing mix, people are required. Now the process. In case of the service delivery, the process is required. For example, as you are the student of mine class in MCOM, you are here, you have the IDs, etc., etc., and you are attending this class, but you have followed a process. Firstly, you have seen the advertisement about the admissions, then filled up the form, then got the merit list and deposited the fee, then got the I-card, then attend the class. Today you are in the class. There is a process you have followed. Without following this process, you are not able to enter in the class of the Department of Commerce. We are in the service industry and we have to follow these aspects, these steps. That is known as process. Physical evidence. After the deposit of the fee, the receipt was demanded by the department from you. If you have the receipt, then you can claim, okay, I have deposited the fee. If you have no any receipt, then you are not able to claim that I have deposited the fee. That is physical evidence. In case of the products, no physical evidence is required. Suppose you visit the petrol pump, purchase the 1 liter petrol and go away. Payment has been made, you got the petrol, and there is no exchange of the bill from one to another without any demand. But in case of the service mix, you will demand the bill after purchasing any kind of the services. Even you do or you get the insurance policies, you demand the receipt. Please provide. When you visit the restaurants, after consuming the food, you demand a bill so that you can make payment. Why? It is a part of the service marketing mix. And these three are related to service marketing mix. Now these two, these are very much common for both. In case of service mix as well as in case of marketing mix, every time these are required. Service marketing mix or marketing mix. If I convey partnership, when you are willing to deliver the services to the society, this concept emerged. Why it has been emerged? Because of, in case of the transportation, you will see that a particular point or particular services is being given by or delivered by both the parties. You know, here is Haryana Roadways plus private roadways buses are available. They are delivering their services. It is known as public-private partnership. That is public and the private bus services. There are so many society bus services. And the next one is Panwala. It is another P, which is available in every sense because of the PVRs, malls. These cultures have been adopted the model of the Panwala. How? A Panwala shops are known as corner shops. These are the corner shops, like it is a corner. One street is there and one another street is there. Here is Panwala. And he is willing to provide everything. Ice cream is also there, chewing gum is also there, tobacco products are also there, cold drinks are there. Mean to say mixture of maximum products. They are willing to provide to the society. Same way, what is happening? Same way, the shopping malls are providing every kind of the product at one place. As I told you earlier on yesterday also, that my customers are there, they are willing to take rest, they are willing to eat, they are willing to purchase so many products. At that moment, we have to convey that the pan wala is the ninth P which is being adopted in case of the marketing mix. Now you can ask any query, any question in this regard. One of the students has said that the proximity. In this way, penetration, proximity, purchasing, etc., all type of the P's you can attach in case of the marketing. One of the authors, he has propounded 144 P's, but these are not so common, not so being utilized by everyone. Generally, when we ask from anyone, the answer is 4 P's of the marketing mix. If the question arises beyond that, service mix, there are 7 P's. If we say what are more 2 P's more, which are available in case of the marketing mix, in case of marketing of the products as well as services, then these are 9 P's. Because of, in case of the service mix, the receipt which is being provided to you as physical evidence, it is also a product, because of it has been prepared by using the paper and other material. That's why there is a common point of product as well as service mix. Now, another point today which we have to discuss. Till yet, any query, any question you can ask. If no, then we can proceed.
Sir, physical distribution and physical evidence are same terms, sir.
No, gentlemen. There is a wide gap. I am delivering my services to you. Suppose I am a pizza boy. I am providing pizza at your home. That is physical distribution. And the bill is physical evidence. Then you can see the difference between two. Right? Sometimes being pizza delivery, I am not giving any bill to you. Just I am receiving the money and you are taking the product. That's okay. At the time of the delivery of the product, the exchange of the product, no physical evidence is required many times. आप में से कितने बच्चे हैं जो मान लीजिए पेट्रोल पंप पर जाते हैं और उसके बाद तेल डलवाने के बाद बिल मांगते हैं? किसी ने आज तक बिल लिया हो? Tell me please.
सर एक बार डीजल डलवाते टाइम लिया था सर, 50 लीटर था तब सर।
ज्यादा क्वांटिटी थी इसलिए?
हाँ जी सर।
Otherwise no need. It is a part and parcel of our Consumer Protection Act, and these are our rights that we have to take the bill. It is the responsibility of the seller, they have to provide the bill. Okay, anyway. Now, come to the point which we have to discuss today, logistics or distribution. Because of this point or this aspect is very much new before you. If I am saying here, another topic, another point.
सर
जी
सर आपने पीपल कहा कि पीपल के बिना सर्विस नहीं हो सकती सर। समटाइम्स सर्विस इज प्रोवाइडेड थ्रू मशीन्स, तो वहां पर मशीन्स को कंसीडर कर सकते हैं सर पीपल में?
both parties must be there. Both parties must be there.
सर कुछ सर्विसेज,
हाँ, सर्विसेज का मीनिंग ये नहीं है बच्चे कि वहां पर मेल या फीमेल या इंडिविजुअल खड़ा होगा. Your question is very much important. I insert my ATM card in the ATM machine and I withdraw the cash. Machine is providing me the cash. Both the parties are there. Machine is available and I am available. If one of us is absent, then we are not able to take the service. Right? I hope it is very much clear.
Yes, sir.
Your question is that if people mean to say living things or non-living things. Yes, machine will play the part as an entity on the behalf of that particular organization, right? सैनिटाइजर आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में लगे हुए हैं, आप उनके नीचे हाथ लगाते हैं और उसी टाइम स्प्रे आपके हाथ पे हो जाता है. बोथ पार्टीज मस्ट बी देयर. आप नहीं होंगे या मशीन नहीं होंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. People here mean to say both the parties, service taker and service giver or the provider must be there. दोनों प्रेजेंट होने ही चाहिए. ऐसी कोई सर्विस नहीं है जिसको लेने वाला हो और देने वाला ना हो, या देने वाला हो लेने वाला ना हो. तब तक जब तक ये दोनों नहीं होंगी तब तक सर्विस की डिलीवरी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. एनी मोर क्वेरी बच्चे? गुड क्वेश्चन.
नो सर, थैंक्स. लेकिन सर ऐसा तो हो सकता है कि सर्विस प्रोवाइडर और सर्विस अवेलर द्वारा दोनों के द्वारा मशीन वहां पर हो.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं. अब हम जो
Okay.
बात कर रहे हैं आमने सामने तो नहीं बैठे हैं.
यस सर.
Through machine we are providing services and through machine you are taking services. Very much clear.
Yes,
But
Yes,
we
sir.
must both should be there. यदि आपने मान लीजिए कोई रिकॉर्डेड गाना है, यदि वो प्लेस किया हुआ है कहीं पर, उसको भी यदि आप सुनना चाहते हैं, या वीडियो है, लेक्चर है, ऑडियो लेक्चर है, वीडियो लेक्चर है, यदि आप वो सुनना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? बोथ पार्टीज मस्ट बी देयर. ऐसा नहीं कि मशीन ही सिंगिंग कर रही है और मशीन ही सुन रही है, ऐसा तो पॉसिबल होगा नहीं. समटाइम्स when the individual is willing to take the service, it mean to say he or she must be there. हम यदि रेस्टोरेंट पर जाते हैं और रेस्टोरेंट वाला यदि खाना आपके सामने परोसता है थ्रू रोबोट मशीन आई, आपके सामने खाना रखा और चला गया. सर्विस डिलीवरी तो चल रही है. Who is providing? Robot is providing to you. Machine is providing to you, and you are taking that service. At the time of the printing of it or the bill, machine is presenting the bill. Okay, this is the bill, you should pay. Automatic vending machines are there. Nowadays, you have seen the ATM for money transactions. In the coming days, you will see the health ATMs. Through health ATM, when you will press or you press your thumb on that particular platform, you will be scanned in a proper manner. What is your BP and your diabetic and your cholesterol level, everything is to be measured by those machines. It means to say you should go there before that machine, and mean to say both the parties must be present at the time of the delivery of the services. If no, then it is not possible that you can provide it, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And that is all about, you can say, topic was marketing mix. Clear this thing? Today's lecture will be started from the next part.